Tired of not getting what you want from boxes? What if I tell you getting rid of probabilities is a lot easier than that? And what if I tell you you can get the brawler you want? It's just a matter of time.
This sounds like a fantastic idea, Paula.
This is all true in this new system we will be releasing in the next update.
And please don't freak out now, but this new system will be replacing boxes.
It's true. Boxes are going away and we'll explain everything in the next Brawl Talk on the 7th of December. But to give you a quick teaser, this is how it's gonna look. You'll be able to progress through this new road and collect the brawlers you are missing.
And of course, boxes have been such a big part of our journey that they wouldn't leave without a proper party. So starting right after this video, we'll kick off an event where you can get a lot of rewards, including the Omega Box, the Omega Box Daryl skin, and its pin. It will be the last time you'll be able to open boxes in Brawl Stars.
But if you think this would be easy, you are, well, not so wrong. But for that to happen, the whole community will have to come together and reach the goal of 4 billion takedowns in 12 days.
It doesn't matter which game mode you are playing, either trophy matches, power league, friendly matches, or map maker. Every takedown counts.
And here is our target bar, which we will be updating daily in the in-game news.
For each milestone of this, we'll release a new reward in the shop. When we reach 4 billion takedowns, we'll release the Omega Box Daryl skin right away. Besides that, the content creators will be giving away a lot of Mega Boxes. Look for the hashtag #BuyBuyBoxes to learn how to join.
Okay, and this is actually insane. Among all the creators running this giveaway, there will be 5 hidden golden codes. If you are the lucky winner to find one of these, you will get 200 Mega Boxes in your face. The creators won't know which one is the golden code, so make sure to follow all of them.
So to summarize, no more boxes in the next update.
No more probabilities to collect your brawlers. Now it's just a matter of time.
Take down as many brawlers as you can. The faster you reach the goal, the faster everyone gets the reward. The target is 4 billion takedowns to unlock the Omega Box Daryl skin.
Follow the community progress daily in the in-game news.
Hashtag #BuyBuyBoxes to participate in the Mega Box giveaway with the creators.
Brawl Talk on the 7th of December with all the information needed for you to understand the new progression system.
So go now to the game and start taking down brawlers.
See you next week with all the information about the new update. Bye bye, boxes!
Another day, another dollar! All sales are final! best deals! Warranty expired! Catch is king! Should have read the terms and conditions! Catch is king! Oh, another customer! That's coming out of your paycheck! Winner, 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 winner! Oh yeah, just keep buying. How may I help you? Everything is fine. Tell the bank I'm busy. How may I help you? You just had to refuse my final offer. Another day, another dollar!
Time to take Spooky for a walk. This could get dangerous. Don't be mean. He is gonna get you. Watching this.
Warranty expired!
Customer!
I have just what you need.
Another customer!
I have the money. Don't worry. Are you browsing or buying? Here is your refund. You caused me a sale! Warranty expired! Don't touch the merchandise!